Here is the smaller IBM Correcting Selectric 2 typewriter. This was the one that had a problem with the power switch. I've got it hooked up to this computer power center here and just use this switch here to cut the power on and off. But this one is a very clean machine, which doesn't seem like it saw a lot of hard use. It really works well. And I put a new correction tape in here. I found some original IBM correction tapes. And this is the one I ended up typing the label for the tube box on after this one started having some problems. Now I've got this one fixed. So my whole collection in this room includes this smaller IBM Selectric 2, this black Correcting Selectric 3, this brown Correcting Selectric 3. Here's the quiet writer, and I'll make a video on that separately. And then here's the Memory 100 typewriter and the larger Selectric 2. And we've now got them all except this one still being a little persnickety, but all of these work good now. So I do have some more that are in storage that I'll try to bring up here. I'm working on getting this room all put together. I've got some computers set up here. Still a little bit of a mess with just miscellaneous stuff, but I've now got these tables in this room. This is my computer and typewriter room. So there's the IBM Selectric 2 typewriter.